Lot 3002, A is an apple. Here we have ourselves a SEADOO 717-720 freshwater jet ski engine. We're going to do an engine compression test on this engine to show you that the engine is good. It's got no cracks, no welds. It's got some fading on the top end of the cylinders. Don't really know what the deal is, but everything checks out okay. The engine is located in Detroit Lakes, Minnesota. We can ship the engine anywhere in the world. If you'd like to buy this engine, it fits 1995 XP, 1996 GTI, 1997 GTS, and a bunch of other models. Our phone number is 218-844-4968. Alright, we're going to start with the PTO clutch side coupler first. It's got 146 PSI on the PTO side. And let's see, magneto side is the last side. That side's also got 146 pounds of compression. As you can see, it's a fairly clean motor. We're going to leave the rotary valve intake on it. I'll leave the PTO clutch coupler on it. I'm going to take off the flywheel and the stator and the starter. So basically it's a short block motor. Thanks for stopping by.